If you've ever seen that annoying check engine light pop up and wondered what's really going on under the hood, this video is exactly what you need. Today, we're breaking down the best car diagnostic tools that can save you hundreds of dollars on mechanic visits and give you full control over your vehicle's health. Whether you're a beginner, DIY car enthusiast, or even a professional technician, the right scanner can completely change how you maintain your car. All the product links are in the description box below. If you want to check real-time prices, features, or grab the best deal, feel free to click right now. We've carefully selected the top 5 diagnostic tools, starting from number 5 all the way to the number 1 best pick. And trust me, you'll want to stay till the end because the top choice offers serious professional-level features. Let's jump right in. Starting strong at number 5, the Autel MK808S Professional Car Diagnostic Tool is a powerful all-in-one scanner designed for users who want advanced features without stepping into ultra-expensive territory. This device offers full system diagnostics, meaning it can scan not just the engine but also transmission, ABS, SRS, and more, giving you a complete picture of your vehicle's health. One of its standout features is the active test capability, which allows you to send commands to different vehicle components and verify if they're working correctly, something typically found in high-end tools. The interface is tablet-based, making it incredibly user-friendly with a responsive touchscreen and intuitive navigation. It supports a wide range of vehicles, especially popular US and international brands, making it versatile for different users. Another key advantage is its fast scanning speed and accurate fault detection, which helps save time and avoid guesswork. Whether you're troubleshooting issues or performing routine maintenance checks, this tool delivers reliable results. It also includes multiple service functions like oil reset and EPB reset, adding even more value. Overall, it's a solid mid-range diagnostic tool that offers professional-level performance for everyday users. For more details, check the link in the description box below. At number 4, we have the OXWELL NT604 Elite OBD2 car scanner, a budget-friendly yet highly capable diagnostic tool that focuses on essential systems without overwhelming the user. This scanner is particularly strong when it comes to ABS, SRS, and transmission diagnostics, making it ideal for users who want to target the most critical vehicle systems. It provides accurate fault code reading and clearing, helping you quickly identify and resolve issues without needing professional help. The device features a simple plug-and-play design, which means you can start using it right out of the box without complicated setup. Its compact size makes it easy to carry and store, while the durable build ensures long-term reliability. The user interface is straightforward, with clear menus and easy navigation, making it suitable even for beginners. Despite its affordable price, it delivers fast performance and reliable results, which is impressive for its category. It may not include advanced bidirectional controls, but it excels at core diagnostic functions that most users need. If you're looking for a dependable and cost-effective tool for basic to mid-level diagnostics, this is a great choice. For more details, check the link in the description box below. Moving up to number 3, the XTOOL D7 takes things to the next level with its AI-assisted diagnostics and powerful bidirectional control capabilities. This tool is designed for serious DIYers and professionals who want deeper insights into vehicle systems. It offers full system scanning across all major components, ensuring no issue goes unnoticed. What really sets it apart is its bidirectional control, allowing you to actively test components like fuel pumps, windows, and more, making troubleshooting far more efficient. The AI-assisted features help interpret diagnostic data, making it easier to understand complex issues without needing extensive technical knowledge. It also includes over 36 reset functions, covering everything from oil reset to throttle adaptation, making it highly versatile. The large touchscreen display provides a smooth and user-friendly experience, with fast processing speeds that reduce waiting time during scans. It supports a wide range of vehicles, including newer models, which adds to its long-term usability. Whether you're maintaining your own car or working on multiple vehicles, this tool delivers excellent performance and value. For more details, check the link in the description box below. At number 2, the ANCEL FX6100 stands out as a feature-packed diagnostic tool that offers excellent value for users who want professional-grade capabilities at a competitive price. This scanner supports full system diagnostics, allowing you to access and analyze data from all major vehicle systems with ease. One of its biggest strengths is the active test functionality, which enables you to directly interact with various components and confirm whether they are functioning properly. This makes it incredibly useful for accurate troubleshooting and repair validation. It also comes with lifetime free updates, which is a huge advantage, ensuring your tool stays compatible with newer vehicles over time without additional costs. The interface is well designed and easy to navigate, even for users who are not highly technical. It includes a wide range of service functions, making it suitable for both routine maintenance and advanced diagnostics. The build quality is solid, and the performance is fast and reliable. Whether you're a home user looking to save on repair costs or a professional needing a dependable scanner, this tool checks all the boxes. For more details, check the link in the description box below. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1, the Innova 5610 professional car diagnostic tool delivers an outstanding combination of performance, reliability, and ease of use. This tool is designed to provide professional-level diagnostics while remaining accessible to everyday users. It supports comprehensive system diagnostics, including ABS, SRS, transmission, and more, ensuring you can identify and fix issues across your entire vehicle. One of its key advantages is its bidirectional control capability, allowing you to perform active tests and verify repairs with confidence. The device also offers a wide range of system resets, making it highly versatile for maintenance tasks. Its user interface is clean and intuitive, with clear data presentation that makes diagnostics easier to understand. Another major highlight is its compatibility with a broad range of vehicles, making it a future-proof investment. The performance is fast, accurate, and consistent, which is exactly what you need in a reliable diagnostic tool. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, this tool delivers exceptional value and functionality. If you want the best overall diagnostic tool on this list, this is the one to go for. For more details, check the link in the description box below. That's all from today's reviews. I hope this video helped you understand which option fits your needs best. To make things easier for you, I've added all the product links in the description box below, so you can check the latest price, detailed specifications, and grab the best deals available right now. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with friends who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more honest product reviews. And if you have any questions, experiences, or suggestions, feel free to drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.